Python is everywhere, from your Instagram feed to self driving cars to rockets going into space. But why? Why is Python the most widely used programming language today? Let's break it down in few minutes. Reason 1. Python is extremely easy to learn. Python looks almost like English. You can read it, write it, and understand it without deep technical knowledge. Here is an example. That's why students, beginners, researchers, developers all pick Python as their first language. Reason number 2. Python has libraries for every field. This is the biggest reason Python dominates. Want data science? Then learn NumPy Pandas. Want AI/ML? Then learn TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn. Want web dev? Then Django, Flask, Fast API. Similarly, automation, Selenium, PyAuto GUI. For cybersecurity, Nmap and Scapy. And mobile, Kiwi, Beware, IoT, MicroPython, Game Dev, Pygame, and APIs for fast API. Python is a library for almost everything you can imagine. Reason number 3. Python works in multiple fields. Unlike languages that are known for specific uses, Python is universal. Python is used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, web applications, cybersecurity, automation and scripting, cloud DevOps, robotics, game development, IoT, finance, scientific research, education. This flexibility makes Python the default choice in tech industries. Reason 4. Fast development and productivity. Python lets you build applications 2 to 3 times faster than other languages. Companies love Python because quicker development, fewer lines of code, faster prototyping, easy debugging. This means products ship faster and updates are easier. That's why startups, big companies, and researchers really heavily on Python. Reason 5. Massive community and ecosystem. When millions use a language, supports become unbeatable. So Python has largest programming community, millions of tutorials, thousands of open source projects, tons of YouTube channels, Stack Overflow support, and active developers updating libraries. If you ever get stuck, the solution is already somewhere online. This community strength keeps Python growing. Reason number 6. Tech giants use Python. Python is everywhere because big companies made it mainstream. Companies that use Python are Google, YouTube, Netflix, Instagram, NASA, Spotify, Pinterest, Roblox, Uber, Microsoft, Amazon. When big tech uses a language at massive scale, the whole world follows. Python is used internally, externally in AI systems, APIs, automation, data pipelines, everywhere. Reason 7. Python owns the AI and ML world. The future of tech is AI, ML, deep learning, and automation. Python dominates this because simple syntax, get ML libraries, faster experimentation, used by researchers, supported by NVIDIA, Google, Meta. If you want to enter AI ML, Python is mandatory. This future demand pushes the language even higher. Reason number 8. Perfect balance of power and simplicity. Python is simple enough for beginners and powerful enough for experts. That balance is rare. You can start with a calculator program and grow into deep learning neural networks, full stack web applications, automation systems, cybersecurity tools, and robotics programming, all using the same language. That's why Python stays relevant in every era. So Python is everywhere because it's simple, powerful, versatile, and supported by a massive global community. From AI to web development, from automation to data science, Python is a place in every field. If you want a future in tech, Python is just a choice. It's necessity. Thanks for watching and tell me which Python topic should I explain next. This is all about for today. See you in the next one. Till then keep coding, keep creating.